In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Photos backup. If you've ever wondered whether your memories are safely stored in the cloud or only sitting on your phone, this walkthrough will give you a clear answer in just a few moments and help you understand what the different status messages actually mean. First, let's confirm your overall backup status on Android. Open the Google Photos app, the multicolored pinwheel icon, and look to the top right corner. Tap your profile picture or initial. Right beneath your account name, you'll see your backup status at a glance. This small line of text is the key to knowing what's happening behind the scenes. Here's what those messages mean in plain English. If you see backup complete, everything currently on your device that's eligible for backup has been uploaded to your Google account. If it says backing up, your photos and videos are on their way to the cloud. Leave the app open or let it run in the background and the process will continue. Preparing backup means Google Photos is getting your items ready, scanning, organizing, and queuing them before the upload starts. Backup is off indicates nothing is being uploaded right now, so any new photos will remain only on your device until backup is turned on. Waiting for Wi-Fi means Google Photos is set to upload only when connected to a wireless network. Once you're on Wi-Fi, the upload will resume automatically. Now, if you want to check the status of a specific photo, open that photo in Google Photos. Then either swipe up on the image or tap the three dots in the corner to view its details. Look for the line that says backed up or on device only. Backed up confirms that this exact photo is stored safely in your Google account and can be accessed from other devices when you sign in. On device only means the image lives just on your phone for now, which is helpful to know before you make space or delete local copies. You can also verify what's in the cloud from a computer. Go to photos.google.com and sign in with the same Google account you use on your phone. Anything you see there is already backed up. If something doesn't appear yet, it may still be uploading, or it might be an item that hasn't been set to backup on your device. That's all you need to confidently check your Google Photos backup. With these quick checks, you'll always know where your memories live and how secure they are.